Hi guys, it's Mimi. This is just going to be a really quick and short video of this embellishment box I made. I made it for my friend PinkZebra Crafts. She has a YouTube channel. I will link it down below along with her Instagram. But I made this for her. I was really, we decided to do a mystery box challenge and I didn't know what to do. And I'm sending her some of this Coastal Village line. So this is what I came up with. And I like it a lot. I have this Dream, some hot glue on there. I have this Dream die cut that I just got from Michael's. It was on clearance. I have one of the little birds. I think they're actually stickers, but I hot glued it on there. Some ribbon and then gold paper behind there. I have some enamel dots. And then I have the turtle right there. And I just covered it up with some coral paper that I had in my stash. And then on the inside, there's all this stuff. Just in this one, I have some clothespins because, I don't know, I thought they were cute. And I just decorated them with some washi tape. In this one, I have some binder clips and then just random paper clips that are really cute. Like I have a little blue cat, you can see that, hands, arrows, and then there's also light bulbs in here. I just went and got them from Dollarama, so they're really cool and I thought she would have fun with them. Here I have some little scallops. I'm probably going to punch out more colors just because it's kind of boring to have only one color, but there's a lot of them. So I have those right there. And then in this one I have some little like paw prints. There's also the word cute in there. And then I also have the word woof because this was from a doggy die cut set. She loves animals and she has, I think, like, she said 7 pets or maybe it was 7 cats, I don't know. She loves animals though, so I thought this would be fun. And then I die cut the little dogs out of brown craft paper. There's a Chihuahua, and then there's also, I think this would be a French Bulldog head. It looks like that. Here, let me do that better. So that's what that looks like. And then in this one I have some tags that I did, and I just put some of this, what do they call, eyelash trim on that. And there's 2 different ones, there's a bunch of them. And then I have some wiener dogs cut out of the brown craft paper. And then I have some doilies, which are really pretty. And then I have these little cut up parts that were in the mini paper pad. So I'm just going to show you them really quickly. So I put those in there, and that all just goes in this section. This section's kind of full, but because of the height of these die cuts and things, I needed the extra space that comes with this little slot right there. So that's why like this one and this one are kind of empty, or like this one. But it has more in here. And then I made this glitter mix of just a bunch of different sequins. There's like flower sequins in there. I don't know if you can tell, but a bunch of different sequins and confetti pieces. So I put them in this cute little glass bottle that I got from Dollarama as well. And then in these 2 slots, these are all that will really fit because they don't fit together. And like I don't like have anything else to put on top of them, so I'm just putting them there. I had to cut them down. I made 1-inch like paper rosettes, but then I had to cut them down with scissors, so they kind of might look a little wonky, but I still think they look really cute. And I just got these unicorns in a swap, so I decided to put those in the center. These are what they look like not cut down. So I think they came out really nice, and I'm going to be sending these to her in just like some separate packaging. But I wanted to put some in the box just because these took forever to make. Like, I don't know why people make so many of these. Like, I spent like a good probably 10 minutes on each one because I had to sit there, fold the paper, and then I had to hold the hot glue together, and it wasn't drying. So it took me a long time. Maybe I'm just like not good at it, but I'll learn and I'll practice them, and I might make more. So that is the whole embellishment box, and that is what I'm going to be sending in my swap. Oops. I'll work on closing that. And then just to go with that, I'm sending her these stamps and the die set that goes with it. This paper pad, it's embossed, really pretty. I have this set of alphabet stamps. I have this set of gold letter stickers. Some are falling off here, and I do have another pack, so I'm going to see if I can switch that out so not as many are falling off, but they are still really cool and you can hot glue them down even if they don't work. And since she likes animals, I'm giving her these stickers because I think it goes good with the colors in there, and I just thought these were so cute, and she likes animals. And then I'm sending her some butterfly stickers that I also just got from Dollarama. So I'm really excited to do this swap. I hope she loves it. And yeah, I can't wait to see what she made me. I'm really excited. I love swapping. And yeah, this is what I made, and I hope you guys enjoyed this little project share, and maybe you guys will make your own embellishment boxes. I'm on an embellishment high right now, embellishment box high. I just love them so much, and I've been making a bunch. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.